Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a really exciting development in the Swift ecosystem. The open sourcing of Swift Build. It's a game changer, you know? A massive leap forward.
Absolutely, I've been following this closely. So Swift Build, the engine behind Xcode's builds, is now open source. That's huge for the community, right?
Precisely. It means developers now have access to the same powerful, extensible build engine used by Xcode and Apple's internal processes. This isn't just some minor update. This is foundational. It's the engine that transforms code into actual applications, libraries, and tools. Think of it as the heart of the Swift development process.
And it's not just for macOS, is it? The blog post mentions Linux and Windows support too. That's a significant step towards true cross-platform consistency.
Exactly. Cross-platform consistency is key. Before, we had different build systems for different platforms, leading to potential inconsistencies and confusion. Now, with Swift Build, we're moving towards a unified experience, regardless of whether you're building for iOS, macOS, Linux, or Windows. It's a huge win for developers.
I see. So how does this impact Swift Package Manager, SPM?
That's a great question. Currently, SPM has a simpler build engine. This move allows SPM to adopt Swift Build as its underlying engine, creating a unified build process across all platforms. This should be transparent to users, maintaining compatibility with existing packages while paving the way for future improvements and optimizations.
So a unified build system means better performance and more consistent behavior across the board. But what about the existing build system in Xcode? Will that change?
That's a really insightful point. The blog post highlights that the build engine in Xcode is quite sophisticated. By open sourcing Swift Build, Apple is essentially sharing the best practices and technologies used in Xcode with the wider community. This will lead to improvements in both Xcode and SPM's build processes over time.
It sounds like this is a huge undertaking, a massive collaborative effort. How can the community get involved?
The blog post explicitly encourages community involvement. They've made the Swift Build repository available on GitHub, welcoming contributions via pull requests and issue reports. They're also actively soliciting feedback and ideas on the Swift forums. It's a fantastic opportunity to shape the future of Swift's build system.
This is incredibly exciting. It really feels like a new era for Swift development. The potential for improvements in build times, cross-platform compatibility, and overall developer experience is enormous.
Absolutely. This is a significant step forward, and it's all thanks to Apple's commitment to open source collaboration. It's a win-win for everyone involved. We'll be sure to keep you updated on further developments in this space. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.